So let's think about for a minute, what would be the big idea between IO psychology and data science?
When I was growing up, I always wanted to be an engineer, but I also wanted to work with people. So one day I took an introductory course in IO psychology and knew immediately I wanted more. When I look around, I see a complex world of human interactions and behaviors.
I wanted to be a meteorologist when I was growing up. When I was in high school, I took a physics class and I really loved the idea of applying math to the real world. When I look around, I see a complex world full of numbers and patterns.
My field is viewed as a soft science that tries to understand complicated people with many gray areas. It depends.
My science is hard, black and white, and reproducible. Nothing depends. It should be completely solid.
I am fascinated by the unique personalities, in fact, competencies of individuals. Humans make this world great.
I want to explain things with math because humans are irrational. Finding patterns in the mess is what makes this world great.
With that much mess, there must be potential for error.
Yeah, error is the reason we need to automate a lot of human decisions. I can predict a lot of things with math, so why not human behavior?
I don't know about that, but what do you want to accomplish?
Equality is really important to me, so I think that people should have equal opportunity regardless of their background.
I fully agree. There are too many inequalities in life and work. AI is bad.
What? AI is great.
What do you mean adverse impact is great? You said you're for equality.
Adverse impact? I'm talking about artificial intelligence.
See, we don't even have the same acronyms. And while we're talking about AI, self-driving cars are killing people out there. We really can't trust machines to think and react appropriately.
Well, let's look at a different example. With machine learning, radiologists spend way less time looking at images and more time focusing on what's uniquely human about their job, all while giving more accurate diagnoses.
Yeah, that is cool. But how can we help companies make better decisions?
Well, dealing with the ever-growing amount of data is really difficult. Computers can find patterns that the little human mind could never have seen.
Okay, let's not get personal. I will let the little comment pass. Humans are unique and cannot be replicated. The IO psychologist will not be automated.
Well, you do have a point. There are a lot of things that humans are really good at.
Thanks. And of course, there are things computers do well. Maybe we can find a middle ground.
You can focus on the human side, the psychological principles.
And you can focus on the data side, identifying complex relationships we haven't been able to analyze before. And we both minimize discrimination.
And maybe someday data scientists who automate a lot of the IO tasks can even be accepted as members of SIOP.
Well, let's not get hasty. We have to protect the sanctity of our membership after all.
Together,
we can change the world.